Good evening, and thank you for joining us on this Friday night. We'll get to the details of those major drug busts targeting fentanyl in just a moment. The DEA revealing today it's arrested more than 3,000 people. But we do want to begin tonight with news about the economy. Job growth in the U.S. last month shattered expectations. The Labor Department says employers added 253,000 jobs in April, while the unemployment rate sank to 3.4%. That's a 54-year low. The report shows that the economy remains strong despite the Federal Reserve's aggressive actions on interest rate hikes and worries about the debt limit showdown here in Washington. CBS's Ed O'Keefe is going to start us off tonight from the White House.
The labor market continues to defy expectations. Job growth in April blew away estimates and led to the lowest unemployment rate since the 1960s.
I think we're making real progress.
Hourly wages also were up higher than expected. April saw the largest monthly gain in more than a year. But that's something economists say could spell trouble.
Weird to say, but wage growth is so strong that might make the Fed nervous about future inflation and raise interest rates, which of course will hurt the economy down the road.
Those higher wages are helping fill jobs. Starting pay for lifeguards near Minneapolis went from $11 to $19 an hour.
It's been a pretty substantial increase to try and entice people and compete in this competitive job market.
But other major companies like Lyft, Deloitte, and Whole Foods are laying off workers, and fears of recession persist, in part because of struggling regional banks. Two more took big stumbles this week on Wall Street. Adding to those fears, the potential failure to raise the country's borrowing limit by June 1st, which could lead to economic calamity. Today, President Biden attacked Republicans for trying to extract billions of dollars in cuts in order to raise the limit.
We're not a deadbeat nation. We pay our bills.
But Republicans argue there's no better time to talk about cutting spending when you've got to raise the debt limit. The president is set to meet with top congressional leaders here at the White House next Tuesday to try to hammer out a deal with just under 4 weeks until the Treasury Secretary says the country will be unable to pay its bills. Norah?
Ed O'Keefe at the White House, thank you.